Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's cleaning video, we're going to be focusing on the downstairs area, getting this place tidied up before I have company coming over. So if you are new to my channel and you enjoy this video, go ahead and check out some of the other videos down below in the description box, and consider hitting that subscribe button and joining my family here on YouTube. And we're just going to go ahead and get started. So today I did something different, switched up things for myself and started cleaning in the living room. A lot of times you'll see me in my videos always starting in the kitchen, usually doing the dishes, but today I wanted to switch it up a little bit.
I'm gonna crash some stupid party, tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shot.
I was having a little dance sesh here because I was listening to my Spotify app. That is just something that kind of helps me pass by the time, and I don't feel like I'm really cleaning or doing any kind of task. I'm just kind of having my own little concert, so it ends up being fun. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Caldrea spray. This is a countertop spray, and this is in the sea salt neroli. And this one smells really, really nice. So I'm going ahead and just spraying some of my cleaner surfaces with it, and it just gives off a really pretty smell. So the next thing I'm going to do is start getting my floors cleaned, and I'm going to go ahead and start my Roomba, but I want to clean it out. You want to make sure if you have a Roomba or you're thinking about getting one that you have to clean it out daily. We actually got ours from Costco, and if you ever were considering buying one, I really do recommend it. It really helps to keep the house clean, especially if you have dogs or pets with long hair. So the next thing we're going to go ahead and do is just kind of dust and clean off our little glass entertainment center here. I like to take everything off and just spray it down. I am using the grapefruit spray by Method. It smells really good and does a really good job. So that's what I'm using here.
I'm just an accident waiting.
So next we are going out into my backyard so I can kind of sweep up the patio and clean the glass door window. So I, again, am using the grapefruit because it's great on glass surfaces, countertops, everything. So that's what I'm using here. as you can see, my pantry is still nicely organized. Thank you guys all for the love and the feedback on my last video, on the pantry video. You guys absolutely loved it, and I really enjoyed just kind of responding to your comments and creating that video for you guys. It was super fun, and it feels really good to have a clean and organized pantry. So what I decided to do here is just go ahead and fill up my sink with hot soapy water and let those dishes soak. It just makes it a little bit easier later when I do have to wash them.
Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together, not sure who I really am.
Now I'm going to just go ahead and clean the counters with the Clorox wipes. That's just going to make it a lot quicker and easier for me to disinfect the countertops and just get everything cleaned up super quickly.
But I'm so getting tired, now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it.
So I did have to take a little lunch break here, or a little snack break here, because I was super hungry and running around like a mad woman getting this place cleaned. So right here I am just eating some tuna creations, the hot buffalo style. I mixed it in with some lettuce, and then I just went ahead and crushed up some of the Harvest Snaps and put those on top just to kind of give it a crunch. I am doing keto, the keto diet with my husband again, so this is a more low carb option.
Down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it. Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on.
What I'm cleaning right here is actually some products that I got from Grove Collaborative. If you guys don't know what Grove Collaborative is, it's a company where I get about 80% of my cleaning products from. It's a subscription-based company, so they have all kinds of like household items. They have soaps, laundry detergent, everything that you need to kind of clean your house. So I get a lot of things from there. I'm actually going to go ahead and do a small giveaway over on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me over there. I have some extra things that I got from the website, so I can go ahead and share with you guys, and I absolutely love it. If you're interested in checking out Grove Collaborative, I always have a link down below in the description box with a deal, so go check out what special offer I have and let me know if you end up purchasing anything.
I know it's just me. I'll find another savior. Feeling cold to the bone. You've got to fight to get out of the storm. I know. It's time. I just tried to be good. You've got to break to get. Tell me I look good.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning motivation video. I hope you got a lot of motivation from it. Don't forget to say hi down in the comments. Subscribe if you're new and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.